All right, so now we're going to take a look at .NET. This one here, reversing a .NET executable, which is fun, and I think I got this from FireEye. So we'll get this sample to work on, which I think I just modified a FireEye challenge is how I got it from their Flare-On contest, which is very good. They have an annual reverse engineering malware contest, and I've learned a lot from that. So there's the file. Okay, so I save this file, and it goes here. And okay, now I unzip this file. There it is, 132. So I right-click, extract all, and extract. Okay, and here we go. A folder, and in the folder, okay, two files, two executables. Okay, and so to see it run, you have to run x64 debug. For some reason, it won't run right in the native environment. So x64 debug is a 64-bit debugger that's modern, and it works just like Ollie. Like I say, Ollie set the standard for the user interface, but it will debug 64-bit programs. So you have to open that challenge program, and that is in my downloads and a couple of folders down. This folder and that folder, and challenge is here. All right. And then we just run it here. This is run, just like it would be in Ollie. And it runs, and oh, we don't have .NET. Let's try it without the feature, and if necessary, I'll download it and install it. Debugging stopped. Okay, I think we need to install .NET. That's rude. So I will debug, restart. All right. It's still running, is it? Let's see, is it somewhere? It doesn't look like it's running. All right, I want to terminate it. Say yes. Debug, restart. Okay. And, all right. Looks like it crashed or something. Let me close some other apps. See if I have anything else happening. Whoops. Okay, let's try that again. x64, it offered me the .NET 3.5, which I didn't realize we'd have to download, but that's life. All right. File, recent files, challenge 1, okay. Run. Okay, let's get .NET 3.5. Because that's what we want to learn about is .NET. .NET is amazing. It's Microsoft's competitor to Java. And it is very popular, although it's very limited. So it's worth learning about. The U.S. military uses it a lot. And I guess a lot of other people too. All right, this isn't going to be too slow. The thing about .NET, see, we've been doing compiled software, which compiled C++. It turns into an executable file, which is raw machine language, which you have to decompile to assembly language. But .NET compiles down to bytecode, which is not very far from the source code, and then it runs in a virtual machine. This is also true of Java. So it's actually very easy to read. It is not machine language or assembler. It is a higher level language that is easier to read and modify, called intermediate language, or IL. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to read the IL inside .NET files and manipulate it. So, if this takes too long, I'm going to stop recording. I'll give it another minute or so. Oh, there it goes. Sure moves in an uneven fashion. Yeah, yeah. Microsoft is famous for this. Their progress indicator says, 10 seconds, no 2 days, no 1 minute, no 1 hour. Anyway, I'll give it another 30 seconds and then I'll stop the video and end up with 2 videos. Because after this, it's going to do installing, and that might take a while. Okay, I'm breaking this into 2 videos.